Pag-open ng wine. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Nabasa mo pa ng ulan kahapon.
Lagot kayo. Wala ka.
CPR yan.
Edit-edit yan.
CPR yan.
Walang edit-edit.
CPR yan.
CPR na ipapakita mo na.
Chairman ko CPR. Kung saan nag-google ako diretso sa bahay nila. Binigay na yung address.
Ay, Kuya Driver, thank you. Thank you sa merienda. Siopaw. Siopaw. Ay, wow! Big siomay. Ay, sarap naman. Big siomay. Ay, kay Kuya daw, driver. Ay, Jay, ano? Malabasaro, masarap?
Oo.
Anong lasa?
Lasang siomay.
Ako na ako inaya. Tapos kanina, magpapakit ko tama. Kaya mo na ng bahay. Sabi ko patay, talaga ako nakakapunta. Tapos nag-pray ako. Kasi nag-pray ako ng sabi ko, Lord, kinwag ako.
Nagpaliwanag ka.
Kaya kung nakikita kami ni Mama Love na ito, salamat sa Lord. Thank you.
First time. Tikman yan natin, masarap.
Magwa-white-white pa tayo para sa birthday ni DMD.
Meron ba?
Siyempre.
Meron.
Grabe, thank you.
Alam mo na.
Patay na, kasi.
Dito ka natutulog. Maiwan mo na yan.
Ay, hindi ka makikita sa wala doon naman saan tama.
Pag-open ng wine. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you for the cake and the wine. Thank you po. Thank you Mama Moren, Sir Admin. Thank you very much.
Cheers, guys!
Okay na. Payag na si Mama Labs. Hindi na raw umuwi. Meron na. Bago pa nga.
Side B na lang daw yung pangkis.
You can't smile without you. Can't sing. Finding it hard to do anything. Get you glad in your side. I feel glad in your glad. You only know I'm going through. I just can't smile without you.
Yahoo! Happy birthday, DMD!
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Salamat sa inyo.
Lakotsera, salamat.
Hindi lang ko sila.
Salamat si Sintay. Ay, siyempre, kaya Kuya Red sa Pinora, kay Kuya Jay, kay Ma'am Vicky.
Ang sarap, ha?
Si Ayo.
Ayaw ko.
Nasaan ko ba?
Ang tamis-tamis yan.
Nasaan ko ba daw?
Papabuhay yan.
Ang sarap. Thank you po.
Ang klase pagpabuhay.
Ay.
Kuya Royce, motor mo daw natumba.
Thank you.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs